Time out. That shit is too fucking
Hey!
Throw it in the shitter.
And throw the dugout. Throw it in the dugout.
Yes, sir.
You throw it in the dugout. More nabs. You're clear. Come on. Hey, run it. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Hey.
Lord, baby, we're taking number one. That's mistakes.
Mental must.
On that. On that.
Damn it!
Hustle, roll. Hustle, roll. Hustle.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Come get it. Come get it. Big top play, Tony Johnson.
Yeah.
Get up. Yeah, Tony.
2-6.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ball game. There we go. Jeremy Guerrero, Indiana State commit, coming in a different role today in relief. Especially that second inning, looks like the velo picked up, gave us a chance to keep a scoreless game, allowing your team a victory. But it looked like you're really pitching on a mission today. Tell me about that a little bit.
Yeah, I knew I had to come in throwing strikes in that first inning when we got a little bit of trouble with guys on second and third, and I knew how to come and throw strikes, let them hit the ball. And Matheny had a great put out at second. And after that, after we got those first couple runs, I was just throwing strikes and trying to get guys out.
Yeah, and at the end, we had the 3 runs in the bottom of the 6th, and you're coming back out to pitch in the 7th, obviously to shut the door. Any difference in your thought process going from a tie game to when you were up 3-0 at that point?
It was going into that last inning, throwing strikes and trying to get guys out to finish off the game and get us a win.